You ever see a sales chart that just looks like a chaotic mess?
Well, it might not be that random.
What if that one jagged line is actually a few hidden patterns all stacked on top of each other?
That's exactly what time series decomposition is for. It's the key to unlocking those hidden layers.
So the whole idea is to break down a messy time series into parts that actually tell a story.
Just think of one complicated data stream splitting into 4 much simpler, easier to understand layers.
Okay, first up is the trend. This is just the overall long-term direction of the data.
Is the data generally going up or is it going down over time? That's your trend. Next, we have seasonality. This is all about patterns that repeat themselves over and over again. You know, like how sales always spike during Diwali every single year? That's a perfect example of seasonality.
Now there's also the cyclical component. It sounds like seasonality, but it's actually pretty different. These are long-term ups and downs, like economic cycles, that don't have a fixed, regular period. And last, we've got the irregular component. This is basically just the random, unpredictable stuff. Think of something like the sudden market impact from a pandemic. Totally unpredictable, right?
It's kind of like taking apart a biryani to understand the rice, the chicken, and the spices separately.
So how do all these pieces fit back together? Well, we use 2 main models to do that.
You can either add them up or multiply them. It really just depends on how the patterns behave.
And why is this so important? Well, it helps you understand your data better and make way better forecasts.
Now, you could just remember the letters T, S, C, I, but what's crucial is really understanding each part.
So for an exam, here's your perfect summary. Decomposition breaks data down to find patterns and improve forecasting.
So just remember, data isn't always random. It's layered, and this helps us see those layers clearly.